Guys, and welcome to another vlog. Today I'm riding this, which happens to be the Benelli Imperiale 400. Okay, let's look at the key. So this is how the key looks of this motorcycle. Meanwhile, this got a flip key setup. So kind of cool for a motorcycle. So first and foremost, let's start with the looks of the motorcycle. So straight up front, it got a circular theme in terms of headlamps and in terms of indicators. Below here, we get the bumper of metal finish. At the side we get telescopic forks with the reflectors, and over here we get disc brakes with the Benelli brake calipers. And the tire size of this motorcycle happens to be 190 Rs 19, so 19-inch front tires, and they look really nice with this multi-spoke chrome finished tires. And here we get all black engine mounts, and this is how the motorcycle looks. Emperor 400 written over here, Benelli written over here with yellow border around. Levers got this chrome finish, and this lever is not adjustable, whereas this lever is adjustable. This is how the console looks of this motorcycle. I will show you it later. Meanwhile, this is how the motorcycle looks from the side. It got a handle to hold on to, and this thing is kind of thin. It could have been thicker because it's looking quite cheaper according to the price of the motorcycle. Meanwhile, Benelli written in the seat. It got a split seat setup, so this for the saddle for the rider, and this is for the pillion. Both of the seats are really cushiony, so no one will feel uncomfortable. Meanwhile, again a grab rail at the side as well. Over here we get Benelli written on the exhaust, and it says warning, do not touch. Of course nobody will when the motorcycle is running. Meanwhile, over here we got again disc brakes, written Benelli on the calipers. These are the 130 section tires at the rear with 80, and meanwhile the rear ones are 18 inches, front ones are 19 inches. So this combination has been used. At the front we can see over here the catalytic converter of the motorcycle. Over here again Benelli written on the engine cowl, and from here we can change the engine oil. Made in India Tiger over here, and quite nice graphics and knickknacks over here. We get storage spaces at the side. Should I open it? I don't think so. I should not open it. Meanwhile, this got batteries, I believe. Meanwhile, these are the rear tail lamps of this motorcycle. I will show you when lights as well. And over here we get number plate holder. The tire size is quite thick, and this is the exhaust out. Rather, this is the exhaust. Unfortunately, today the motorcycle is out of fuel, so I can't hear you the exhaust. Meanwhile, this is the rear sari guard. It looks like a barbecue grill. However, I believe you guys will remove it once you purchase the motorcycle. These are the rear foot pegs. These are the front ones are quite thicker compared to the rear. And here we get the gear shifter, which is just toe shifter, not a heel and toe shifter. See this? So really nice attention to detail in this motorcycle. Let's check the fuel tank, how it opens. It got a seal right now. Best one to Benelli. So yeah, it opens like this. It doesn't comes in hand like its competitor. However, the competitor also gets fuel tank like this, rather fuel lid like this. These are the mirrors of this motorcycle, quite big and gives a decent view of what's around. Over here we get the front master cylinder for the brakes. These are the right switch gears. This is for the engine kill switch. This for the hazard lamp. This to turn on the motorcycle. Over here we get the switches for high beam, low beam, indicators and horn. And over here we get this thing, pass light switch. Let me show you the instrumental cluster of this motorcycle. This is how the keyhole looks like. So like you can see, it is a full swipe up, and at the left we get the speedometer with a digital display which says trip to, clock, and of course the kilometer what it did. At the right we get a tachometer which has a rev limiter at 6000 rpm, and there are telltale lights like the fuel, engine check light, ABS and neutral, of course the gear position indicator. At the center again we have a gear position indicator, and at the center we get the fuel checker, so the motorcycle is out of fuel right now. In order to browse through this MID, we need to press these buttons. So we have come to miles. If you also wish to change kilometers or miles, right now it's the reading is in kilometers, and now the readings are in miles. Then we can toggle through the total odometer, this trip 1, trip 2, and that's about it. So guys, the treatment over here at where you lock your knees with the tank is quite nice, such that your knees can't feel the heat. And here's the master cylinder for the rear brakes, quite sentimental, and looks like an afterthought. So guys, that was my quick review or walk around of this motorcycle. So thank you so much to watch this video. Meet you guys in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.